so much, everyone, for those wonderful, overflowing answers. You all are just so wonderful. Wow. Keep clapping for yourself, too. Amazing, amazing. Well, now it is time to announce the third set of awards, which is of two types. First up, we will start with the FIACS Intellectual Explorer and of the category Industry Pioneers. To present this award, we have amongst us a pioneer himself, Mr. Suresh Sethi, Managing Director and Chief Executive Officer, designated as NSDL E-Governance Infrastructure Limited. A very, very warm welcome to you, sir. How wonderful to see you. Over to you for a few words and to announce the awards.
We live in a VUCA world. Last year's COVID pandemic and the global response to it has clearly highlighted the fact that we are all interconnected. Anything happening in one part of the world has the potential to impact us in multiple ways across geographies. Collaboration becomes complex in such a scenario. It is therefore important to be able to address information asymmetry. FIACS has been a pioneering forum in addressing challenges of information asymmetry in the BFSI space. It has created a knowledge sharing platform where thought leaders across the industry have come together for an open exchange of ideas. I would like to congratulate Vikas and Anuradha for bringing FIACS to its current position and wish them the best going forward. I would like to announce the awards for the category FIACS Intellectual Explorer. The award for the FIACS Intellectual Explorer goes to Mr. Manish Khera. The award for the FIACS Intellectual Explorer goes to Mr. Vishwas Patel. The award for the FIACS Intellectual Explorer goes to Mr. Prabir Roy.
Thank you so much, sir. Next, we have the coveted second FIACS Sharpshooter Award. And to present this award, we have with us none other than Mr. Ketan Doshi, Head PayPoint India Network Private Limited. Very warm welcome, sir. Over to you for a few words and to announce the award.
Hello to the entire FIACS family. How are you? I hope everything is good at your place, and it has been a proud moment to be part of this initiative, and I've seen FIACS community growing since the initial days, and I must tell you that Vikas and team has done a wonderful job, and the kind of knowledge sharing which we have on this platform is one of the best in the industry, and this is going to set a trend on the knowledge sharing part, as well as I must tell you that fintechs and banks must be part of this platform, and this is going to drive the future policies of the country. Today I am here to announce one of the key category of the contributors to this knowledge sharing platform, and FIACS has termed him as the sharpshooter of the year, and this sharpshooter is Mr. Neeraj Chandra, Mr. Neeraj Chandra, congratulations. And Neeraj has been instrumental in sharing his deep knowledge sharply on the platform.
Thank you so much, sir. And finally, ladies and gentlemen, to present the final set of awards, that is the FIACS Sharpshooter Award. We have with us Mr. Sunil Dalal, Managing Director, Softcell Technologies Global Private Limited. Very warm welcome, sir. Over to you to share a few words and to announce the first award.
FIACS is a very interesting community, ably led by Anuradha and the team. They're doing wonderful work. The summary of information that they send out on a daily basis to my group is a great source of information of diverse topics. I wish them the very best, and I hope that they take this community to the next level and the FIACS Leadership Conclave becomes an event that everybody looks forward to. Good evening. I'm pleased to be here at the FIACS Leadership Conclave to announce the winner of the FIACS Sharpshooter Award. The winner is Mr. Narayan Rao. Congratulations to Mr. Narayan Rao.